Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we installed our interface video to do Apple CarPlay Android Auto in the 2011 Porsche Panamera, and it didn't come with backup camera. The only camera we can use because of the edge of the trunk, it's the license plate camera. Basically it goes behind the license plate and it exposes on top of the license plate. And also you can adjust the angle easily. We can do wireless or wired Apple CarPlay. Right now we are doing wireless CarPlay, and this is open radio installation. Basically we add a board to the sound system without replacing the screen. So we can use the factory touch screen, and we can go back and forth to the PCM 3.1 menu, and by holding the info button we can go back to the Apple CarPlay. Also, as I said, we add backup camera. By going to reverse, it shifts to reverse, and also it shows the sensors, and it comes with dynamic guidelines. So by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic guideline turns too, and again it retains the factory backup sensors too. If you're interested to get these type of interfaces, we can install them for you, or you can order them online from 4x4Shop.ca from interface for Apple CarPlay and Auto section of our website. And also you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and book an appointment for your installation. Thank you and have a great day.